Radio Rickshaw Bow.
Okay, it's Cory. I'm in the hurricane simulator. Apparently this thing goes to 74 miles an hour, and I'm gonna be every person you see on the street. So, looks like the storm's finally coming in. It's really starting to pick up pace now. I gotta tell you again, we're at the Orlando Science Center at Otronicon. All right, it's really starting to whip up now. Okay, all right. Okay, it's starting to blow. And again, this is 74-mile-an-hour winds. This is what you would feel in a hurricane, or as we like to call it, a big party, because this really isn't going to do anything. I've had worse days at work. And then, really, that's it? That's all you got? That's all you got? Smite me, oh Lord, smite me. Okay, it's over. I survived.